Hello everyone, I'm Henry Chen from the headquarters of Advantech. So we all know big data, IoT, cloud services, and AI are the key successful technology in the Industrial 4.0 and the digital transformation. Advantech WisePass cloud-based IoT platform are able to deliver our customer the real business model on the cloud and also in the variable industry.
We are the VIP channel partner of Advantech in India and provide Advantech's WisePass Industrial IoT Cloud Platform, which is a key enabler for smart manufacturing.
On 21st December, between 3 and 4 p.m. Indian time, Advantech will conduct a very unique workshop on Smart Factory. We will share our real-time application story in that webinar.
So please register now for free and join us on 21st December. See you there.